as I was warming the bike up today, I noticed that I have the light. I finally got a chance to get out on the bike. We've been having a bunch of weather lately, and it finally dried up a bit for me to take the bike out for a little bit. There's still some clouds, and it might actually rain on me today, but I wanted to get out while I still can. I haven't had a whole lot of time because work's been pretty busy. Fall is kind of my busy time. There's not as much light in the day, and there's a lot of stuff to do. So I'm really just running around like crazy trying to get stuff done, and by the time I get off work, it's pretty much dark. And I choose not to ride in the dark just because, I don't know, I don't like to. I don't know, maybe it's my eyes are getting older, I don't know, I just don't like to do it. But I have a cool little window to ride today. But as I was warming the bike up today, I noticed that I have the light. I have the wrench light that came on. If you guys don't know what that light is, it's basically an indicator. It's not any kind of check engine light or code. It's on a timer, and what it is there to remind you it's time to flush your brake system and your cooling system and all that fun stuff. So I gotta look into getting that done because it's time. It's about every 2 years, I think, something like that. Anyways, I gotta get that done. Unfortunately, though, I can't reset that timer or that light myself. I have to take it into the dealership to go get that reset because they got to plug it in and do whatever. If I haven't figured out how to do it myself, I wish I knew how to do that. If any of you guys know how to do it, put in the comments down below, like link something. I want to be able to get rid of that. Anyways, had a little bit of time left today. It is, I don't know why everyone's out today. It is a Sunday afternoon, but I'm not getting out of town. I'm going to town. I'm going to a shop that I haven't been to in a while, so it's in the busy part of town, which I don't necessarily like, but hey, whatever. Speaking of work, my brain's on autopilot apparently because I am headed towards where I normally would for work instead of where I was actually going. It's fine. It's not too far from where I wanted to go. It's just I'm on autopilot, so I just automatically turned where I normally turn for work and not where I actually wanted to go. So yeah, oops, my bad. That's right, we'll circle back around. It's not too far. So with this new old hobby that I picked up of shooting pew-pews, yeah, I've been going to a lot of pew-pew stores lately. A lot of them have moved, a lot of them have shut down since I've been into it. So there's a lot of new places, a lot of new things. So I'm making my rounds now and seeing what's going on with these guys. Now I'm kind of surprised it's a Sunday and they're open, which I like. I hate it when things are closed on a Sunday. Like, why, if your dealerships are like this too, why would you be closed on a day where most of your customers have off? It doesn't make any sense to me. Why would you do that? If you're in any kind of hobby or activity, I guess, like, why would you not be open on a weekend? It's so dumb. Anyways, I'm gonna circle back around and we're gonna go see what's up with these guys. I haven't seen them in a while. These are one of my OG shops that I used to go to. They've moved a few times, so I haven't seen their new shop. So yeah, that's what we're doing. But once again, I'm on a busy street because I took the wrong way. Oh yeah, I forgot that was there. Yeah, veteran cemetery. Hi Grandma, hi Grandpa. I think if I go straight is the way to get in there. It's kind of in a weird little corner, so I think I need to go straight. I think I could have turned. I think I could have, but it didn't. No, I'm right. I gotta go this way. Alright. I also have to go and get another pin lock for my helmet. I think I mentioned it before. I was cleaning the visor on this thing, and I broke one of the little tabs for my for the actual pin lock. So now I just have the visor that fogs up when it's cold outside. Yeah, I need to get that fixed. I need to go get a new one. Maybe I'll do that today. I mean, I'm not really doing anything else. Just basically killing time. Ta 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 ta. Going at the homeless guy. Sacramento Black Rifle. Said they were open online. Yeah, they have an open sign on. Let's see what they're about. Neutral. Okay.
One eternity later.
Yep. Well, I got caught in it. Looks like the rain's starting on me, so I better head home. It's pretty busy out anyways, but that was a cool little shop. They've definitely changed since the last time I've been in there. I really wanted to go in and talk to him about building something, and I have little to no idea of where to start nowadays because everything's changed. All the brands have been different. Everything's different. It's what happens when you're out of something for a certain amount of time. Things just evolve and change and get better, I guess. Just gotta figure out the best way to get home. I think the best way to get there is just get on the freeway and just beeline it home. People are gonna suck. There's still a lot of people out right now. So I don't know, I've been throwing around the idea of kind of integrating shooting into my videos. You know, maybe taking the bike out to go shooting and kind of mixing the two, because it's I don't know, it's what I'm starting to like to do again. So maybe I'll throw that in the mix. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys, I don't know, want to see something like that. If you could, please subscribe. It'll help me out a ton. Help me get to that 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I will see you guys later. It smells like rain. I did not make it home in time. Oh well. The bike kind of needs a wash anyways. Look at it, it's all dirty. Work's been pretty busy. I don't know, what would you call it? Like, brain fart. Should go stop by Starbucks. Since I'm right here and I'm on an ADV bike. I mean, I have to, right? That's kind of a rule. If there's a Starbucks, you gotta stop for it. Yeah, it's so foggy.